Karma is synonymous to Vittalapuram for all of us who have been working with Vittalapuram for last 1 year now. The objective of the project in our mind was to have sustainable activities, the activities which should continue even without our presence. The major area of focus for us were three activities. One was organic farming, in which we did a knowledge transfer from Mr. Sami, an organic farming expert, to various village folks, and Radha auntie now owns her own organic farm. And the second activity was opening of a library which was closed all the time, and with the persistent effort of Indumati, Senthil and other team members, we are successful in opening the library. And the third is opening of our own Mary Curie Science Club in collaboration with Mr. Venkateshan from TNSF. Therefore, I see a bright future for Vittalapuram village because of the youth of our village, which includes Indumati and Senthil, and I see a lot of good people coming up to make our village successful.
Here in this Vittalapuram village, Great Lakes students have put their enormous effort for creating this science club here. Here there is a science club called Mary Curie Thulir Illam, and moreover here there is the library which was reopened by them. They have put a lot of efforts for opening it again, and all the Great Lakes students are doing their excellent job in villages. This program itself is a great program. Whoever designed this Karma Yoga project has put a lot of efforts for creating such a good opportunity for the village children for to know a lot of things. These Great Lakes children are bringing a lot of videos, educational awareness programs for the children, and even they are talking to the women in villages and creating a lot of awareness among them, and they are even talking to the farmers about natural farming and replacing bioresources and everything there. Compared to last year, this year Vittalapuram has emerged a very shining villages in Great Lakes village scheme, I think. Last year, I am not remembering that I was able to come for a long trip to this village. But this year, because of this Great Lakes students' continuous efforts, I am almost coming every week to this village and meeting the children. Not only that, last year I remember we went around 15 villages for telescope stargazing programs. But this year I could able to do only in Vittalapuram, thanks to this Vittalapuram Great Lakes students for their continuous efforts for making me do this.
This is Radha auntie. She is telling us how we helped her to go for organic farming from the traditional farming sense, and also how we were instrumental in changing her perception and let her children to be part of science club and various other competitions which they participated and won district third prize. We also brought her to the convention where she raised the question of the library being closed. We made him to open the library afterwards, and now the science club meetings are held in the library every week.
Hello, this is Indumati and I am from Vittalapuram village. I am the moderator of this village. I am feeling very glad that we form a Mary Curie Thulir Science Club here, and every Sunday we used to have a meeting, and we have more than 35 students in Science Club. First of all, we have named it as Boson Science Club, but as BSc, but our children are very interested of keeping as MSc, so they itself named as Mary Curie Thulir Science Club. And before that, we researched in a project about suggesting energy efficient practices for our village households with 4 students. They are studying 9th standard now. Vishali, Vinodini, Alok and Meena. They really work hard.
The Karma Yoga is a concept brought up by Swami Vivekananda. He may where people do selfless help to the others. So Sir Dr. Venkat R. Krishnan had brought the project to the Great Lakes where they learn their theory parts and making the leadership on their own field of this. So coming to my village, the Karma Yogis are awesome. So the part where Venkat sir has been putting to their students has already done. They are doing more than that to our village. So going to that, they have been so close to us, being more than what they are doing as a work. They never took it as project. They are doing as selfless help what Vivekananda has said to them. So actually to my village, I have to mention four or five guys, namely Lokeshana, Jyotika, then Karanji, and the Shantana, then Inshaka. They are PGPM and then PGM. Whatsoever they need, they are peoples out to village to help us. And we have been facing a situation of being a shortage of electricity. So we discussed in a science club to bring out a windmill for our own library. So we used science club students to design it, and we have designed a windmill for our science club.
We did a project in science club and I presented in my school and I got second prize.
இந்த லைப்ரரியை துவக்கிறதுல அவங்க காமிச்ச ஆர்வமாக இருக்கட்டும், இன்றைக்கி அந்த லைப்ரரி கண்டினியூஸாக எவ்ரி வீக் ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆகிட்டு இருக்குன்னா அதுக்கு வந்து அதோட ஃபுல் கிரெடிட் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு தான் போகும். அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் இங்கே இயற்கை விவசாயம் சம்மந்தமான பல்வேறு கருத்துக்களை இந்த மக்கள்கிட்ட கொண்டு போகிறதுலையும் இந்த விட்லாபுரத்துக்காக வரக்கூடிய அந்த கிரேட் லேக்ஸ் மாணவர்கள் ரொம்ப பெரிய பங்காற்றிருக்காங்க. பள்ளிக்கூடையும் கூட அவங்க தொடர்பில் இருந்து அந்த பள்ளி மாணவர்களுக்காகவும் பல்வேறு செயல்பாடுகளோடய முயற்சி பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்காங்க. உண்மையாலுமே இந்த மாணவர்களுடைய பணி வந்து மிகப்பெரிய சிறப்பான பாராட்டுதலுக்குரியது அப்படிங்கிறது சந்தேகம் இல்லை. இந்த மாணவர்கள் வருங்காலத்தில் பெரிய தலைவர்களாக கண்டிப்பாக உருவாவாங்க. இது ஒரு லீடர்ஷிப் ப்ரோக்ராம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி தான் கிரேட் லேக் சொல்கிறாங்க. இவங்க போகக்கூடிய எல்லா கிராமங்கள்லையும் இவங்களால பல்வேறு பயனுள்ள நடவடிக்கைகள் நடக்குது அப்படிங்கிறதுல எந்த சந்தேகமும் இல்லை.